Hello, I'm Kalinaki, and in this video I'm going to show you how I painted the Sixth Gnome. For his skin tone, I mixed 4 colors: white, pink, blue and yellow with some PVA glue. His main colors are violet and mint. So, for his jacket, I mixed violet and pink acrylic paint with a touch of white. For his cap, I mixed violet and some coral acrylic paint. It's time for painting his pants. Some PVA glue plus blue and green gouache paint. For his hair, I mixed yellow and brown gouache paint and coral and grey acrylic paint, and of course, some PVA glue. I gave him cool brows. He's a very stylish boy. I mixed brown and black gouache paints and PVA glue to paint his sleeves, protectors, shoes, belt and goggles. Adding more colors to reveal details. His eyes are navy blue. I painted the metal parts using bronze acrylic paint. It's time for the face-up. Blushing, his cheeks, nose, eyes, ears, spreading everything with soft pastel. I drew some eyeliner, hairs using watercolor pencils. I took some foil for nail art and cut 2 circles. I attached it using PVA glue. Then I coated his goggles, sleeves, belts and shoes and eyes with gloss acrylic varnish. All the rest parts, except his face and hands, were sealed with matte acrylic varnish. And he's done. Hey, anybody? Is anybody here?
I'm here. Why are you shouting?
Oh, Sixth! Here you are. We've been looking for you. We've seen something very strange in the garden.
Okay. Let's go find the others. You can tell them what happened in the garden.